Welcome to Abstract Plus. In this video, I will show you how to block websites on Chrome easily. Let's say we want to block Amazon.com and Yahoo.com and TikTok. Right now, these websites are working fine. So to block websites, go to Chrome Web Store, press three dots from top right, hover over extensions and select Visit Chrome Web Store. Here search block. Now there are many extensions that can do the same. Let's try block site extension, this extension. Add to Chrome, add extension, and that's it. After the extension is installed in Chrome, go to the website that you want to block, right click on the page and select block this domain. And now TikTok is blocked. TikTok.com full domain is blocked. Let's block this domain, and that's it. Let's block this domain, and that's it. We can block as many websites as we want. And if we want to unblock these websites, go to extension settings, click the extension, and here are the blocked websites. Remove these blocked websites from here and they will be unblocked. Now, if we reload the page, these domains will work. So use this Chrome extension to block websites in Chrome easily. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.